Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We're outside in the garden. It's very dark, as if it's going to rain, which isn't necessarily a bad thing because we could use it, but it's also very comfortable, no humidity. So I thought I would bring you along while we do some harvesting. Come harvest with me. So here in this bed is my, or are my black-eyed peas, and they have been ravaged by worms. I've sprayed them 2 days in a row, and I don't see currently any worms now. And I'll probably spray, although it may rain. I may spray again today. I may not. If it's going to rain, then I'm not going to. But I am going to do some harvesting. I have what looks like some pretty decent pods. So let's get to it. Some of these have been on here so long, they've actually dried out, which is fine. Okay, we've got what we could from here. Let's go get some green beans. Getting a pretty decent harvest from here. We're here at another bed that has green beans in it, and let's see if we have any ready. So we're here at my bed containing my green peppers, or sweet bell peppers, and we're going to do some harvesting from here. We have a few. Okay, we're going to move next door to the okra bed and harvest some pods here. These are my cowhorn peppers, and this one is beautiful, nice and red and long. We have some down here that we're going to get. We have some jalapenos that we're going to get. This one, I don't know if you can see it, was actually starting to turn colors. My first real harvest of Scotch bonnets. These are the yellow variety. We would take the ones that were closest to changing color. And this one, we don't have any peppers showing. Well, we do, real small ones, but nothing ready to be picked. And on the Augie Dulce, we have one pod here. Actually, several pods, but they're not ready to be picked yet. Okay, these are my heavy hitter okra plants. They are now starting to put on pods, which means that the bed that had the okra or has the okra in that we harvested from will be in a future video flipped for fall. And as I said, I'll go ahead and show you how to do that. Here, I believe I planted 12 plants. So we are going to have quite a lot of okra in the near future. So I would like to thank you for coming along with me while we got this harvest. this bountiful harvest. We got bell peppers. We got cowhorn cayenne. We got scotch bonnets, yellow. We got green beans. We got okra. And we got black-eyed peas. Overall, it was a very decent harvest, and I'm grateful for it. If you got something out of the video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a great amount of food for myself and my family, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my video, your friends and family will also. I hope I brought a smile to your face and a little joy in your heart. Until next time, take care.